Is it the right way to the station? Is it the right way to the station? Is it the right way to the station? Yes, go straight on. Yes, go straight on. Yes, go straight on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Take me to the airport, please. Take me to the airport, please. Take me to the airport, please. Have you got that? Have you got that? Have you got that? Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Have you heard from Mary? Have you heard from Mary? Have you heard from Mary? No, what happened? No, what happened? No, what happened? Have you tried Chinese food? Have you tried Chinese food? Have you tried Chinese food? No, but I'd like to try. No, but I'd like to try. No, but I'd like to try. What does labor mean? What does labor mean? What does labor mean? It means to work hard. It means to work hard. It means to work hard.
Thanks for watching the video.